Any investment that gives you more security when leaving your home, whether it's just for a few hours or a 2-week vacation, is worthwhile. The best home security cameras are a great way to achieve this because they have indoor and outdoor options, giving you more control over maintaining the safety and security of your home round the clock. Home security cameras are much less expensive and simpler to set up and maintain. Because of this, they are ideal for regular people who want to increase the security of their property but don't feel the need to hire professionals. They are also excellent complements to already installed smart home gadgets all over the house. 5. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is the best outdoor home security camera on the market if you're looking for one for your garden. Two 1000 lumen spotlights flank the full HD camera, which can capture clear video both during the day and at night and can be set to illuminate your yard if motion is detected in order to deter any potential intruders. A built-in laser enables a number of useful smart features, such as 3D motion, which will only notify you about motion when the source has exceeded a predetermined threshold to prevent annoying alerts. But it's not flawless. There is no free video dosage, and because it needs existing mains wiring for a sensor light, you might need an electrician to install the camera for you. You will need a Ring Protect subscription to view the video later. 4. Arlo Essential Indoor Camera. When selecting a home security camera, many people have serious concerns about privacy. However, if the idea of having a camera in your house recording everything you do makes you uncomfortable, the Arlo Essential Indoor Camera will be perfect for you. When the camera is disarmed, the privacy shutter can be set to automatically activate, making sure that the lens and microphone are turned off so that there is no concern about being watched. The camera captures clear, full HD video both during the day and at night. However, if you want to view the video after it has been recorded, you must pay a monthly fee to Arlo Secure. Additionally, it supports Google Assistant and Alexa but not HomeKit. It also works with Alexa. The Arlo Essentials line is advertised as the brand's most affordable offering, but it costs more than the majority of low-cost home security cameras. 3. Ring Indoor Cam. The entry-level security camera from Ring is very affordable and provides excellent value. It is easy to use and, both during the day and at night, records motion-detected footage in crystal-clear full HD. However, unless you have Ring Protect, you cannot view video that has already been recorded. You'll have to pay a fee each year, but you'll also have access to practical tools like activity zones and person detection that stop annoying notifications from bothering you. Being an Amazon-backed company, it's not surprising that Alexa is the only voice integration that Ring offers. If your smart home utilizes HomeKit or Google Assistant, it is inappropriate. 2. Google Nest Cam. Thanks to its rechargeable battery, the Google Nest Cam is a flexible home security camera that you can use both inside and outside. The use of facial recognition is also advantageous. You can give names to people the camera detects using the Google Home app, and you'll receive a notification the next time they come into view. Naturally, it integrates with Google Assistant and even offers 3 hours of free storage. However, you'll need to spend money on a Nest Aware subscription if you want to view video that the camera has recorded after that. The Google Nest Cam is a mains-powered alternative that Google also sells, but it is not weatherproof. 1. Anker Eufy Cam 2. The Anker Eufy Cam 2 is a reliable mid-range option at an affordable price in the crowded market for home security cameras. For the majority of people, this home security camera strikes the ideal balance between price and features, even though it doesn't have the highest recording resolution and doesn't capture color images at night. The battery life is the longest on a home security camera. Given that the battery cannot be changed, the camera will be inactive when it needs to be recharged, and it has twice the battery life of top-tier cameras from Arlo and Ring. Additionally, it stores all of its encoded clips on the base station that is included in your living room, so you don't have to worry about someone else in the world viewing video taken on your property. Although it cannot identify animals, vehicles, or other sources like Arlo's home security cameras can, it can determine if humans were the source of a motion alert. It does, however, provide integration with Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. In conclusion, the Eufy Cam 2 is a great option if you want a system that is free to maintain but still allows you to keep a close eye on your home when you're not there. You have total control and there are no overhead expenses. You have in the description the link of all the products. I hope you liked the video. Goodbye.